Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. Vice Premier of the State Council of the People's Republic of China, His Excellency Mr. Hui Liangwu, arrived in Fiji a while ago. Acting Prime Minister and Attorney General Ayai Sayud Kayum and senior government ministers greeted Mr. Liangwu as he touched down at Nadi in a private jet. Diplomatic observances were performed with Chief Protocol Officer of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Emosi Rakai, and the Chinese Ambassador Huyang Wang entering the jet and inviting the Vice Premier to disembark. The acting Prime Minister, who waited on the tarmac, welcomed the Vice Premier, who later inspected the Guard of Honor by the Fiji military forces. The delegation then departed for Sofitel and Denarau, where he was traditionally welcomed by the RFMF. Gifts were then officially exchanged between Fiji and China. His Excellency Mr. Hui will take a short cruise of the Mamanuca group tomorrow morning before he departs Fiji at 11 a.m. Where there is water, there is life. And today, 21 Pacific countries are meeting at the Novotel Hotel in Lambi to find solutions in improving water and waste management in urban areas. The 4th Annual Pacific Water Conference has brought together countries like Kiribati, Tuvalu, Papua New Guinea, and Samoa, where supply challenges are a huge challenge. His Excellency, the President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, opened the conference saying it's time for Pacific countries to work together to identify solutions to better manage water resources.
The move towards the improvement of water sector at the Pacific Water Conference will contribute to the achievement of the Millennium Development Goal. Pillar 7 of the MDG, which states, halve by 2015 the proportion of people without sustainable access to safe drinking water.
This conference and expo will also provide us with the opportunity to take a step closer to achieving one of the Millennium Development Goals, MDG 7C, quote, reduce by half the proportion of the population without sustainable access to safe drinking water and basic sanitation by 2015, unquote.
His Excellency the President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau also stressed to participants at the conference to look into water sanitation issues. He believes there is a need for a proper sanitation management.
There is a need for sanitation management and strategies for improved infrastructure, treatment, and safe clean sanitation methods.
Government is committed to returning Fiji to democracy. It is also working on improving people's access to basic needs like water. And hosting a Pacific conference that will provide solutions to improving water supply indicates government's strong commitment to improving quality of living for all Fijians. That's the word from His Excellency the President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau.
Fiji's commitment to economic growth and infrastructure progress is evident in the development of the, quote, Strategic Framework for Change, FSC, and the Roadmap for Democracy and Sustainable Socio-Economic Development, RDSSD, unquote. These strategies will ensure that Fiji can progress within every sector of our community by realizing our potential, maximizing on our skills, expertise, and resources, and most importantly, on improving the socio-economic and infrastructure conditions.